Assalamu alaikum fifth class. How are you all students? Welcome to the science class. I am your science teacher Miss Rida Ansar. Students, today we are going to talk about atoms. In the first lecture, we have discussed about electricity. Electricity can flow through matter. So matter is made up of small particles called atom. So now we are going to discuss about what is atom. All matter is made up of a tiny particle called atom or basic building block of matter, which cannot be seen with naked eye. The atom is composed of three subatomic particles which are called proton, electron and neutron. In the picture you can easily understand a proton and neutron are present in the center and form the nucleus of the atom, and the electrons revolve in the orbit around the nucleus. Now we are going to talk about atomic nucleus. Atomic nucleus is composed of two different kinds of subatomic particles, proton and neutron. Both proton and neutron are present in the center of the atom. Proton has positive charge and neutron has no charge or neutral, and both are present in the center of the atom, and the electrons revolve around the nucleus in their orbit. Now we are going to discuss about these some subatomic particles one by one. First one is electron. A negatively charged particle is called as or known as electron, found in the orbits. In the picture you can see the electron is present in the orbit and revolve around the nucleus. What is a proton? A positively charged particle is called as proton or known as proton, found in the nucleus. Proton has a positive charge and present in the center of atom. Now we are going to talk about what is neutron. Neutron, the word neutron derived from neutral, which means has no charge. The neutron is found in the nucleus of atom and has no charge. As we have discussed in the previous slides or in the picture, proton and neutron both are present in the center of an atom, and neutron has no charge on it. Neutron and proton are tightly bound together to create atomic nuclei such as shown in the model. You can see easily in the picture the protons and neutrons are tightly bound with each other to form an atomic nuclei in the center of an atom. Thank you and Allah Hafiz students.